Hey everyone, welcome back. Polestar teams up with Ohme and Octopus Energy for cheaper and greener charging. Polestar has bolstered its commitment to reduce carbon footprint through strategic partnership with Ohme and Octopus Energy. This three-way partnership would offer Polestar customers in the UK cheaper charging at home and on the road, together with the option to reduce their carbon footprint through renewable energy provisions for home charging. Its long-term partnership with Ohme will now provide both retail and fleet customers purchasing a new or pre-owned car with a preferential price for Ohme charger, with standard installation starting at £925. For a limited time, private customers will also benefit from package deal that sees a complimentary Ohme charger with standard installation or £900 in Octopus Electroverse public charging credit included in their new or used car order. In addition, Polestar has teamed up with green energy supplier Octopus Energy to offer £30 credit when customers switch their energy supplier to Octopus to access cheaper and greener EV charging tariffs at home, as well as up to 8% discount on public charging through the Electroverse app. Polestar is one of the only manufacturers globally to offer customers full transparency and climate impact of its cars in a life cycle assessment (LCA), now available for its upcoming Polestar 4 SUV coupe. The LCAs highlight importance of recharging cars with renewable energy to bring the break-even point, the point at which the car stops contributing to CO2 to the environmental compared to petrol or diesel, down. Customers who use suppliers delivering 100% green energy to their home, such as Octopus, can reduce the break-even point on Polestar 2 from around 50,000 miles if charged with fossil fuel-produced energy to around 30,000 miles. Ohme's dynamic smart home chargers can connect to the national grid in real time, with their software able to automatically adjust their charging for drivers to take advantage of all time of low price charging with smart off-peak tariffs. Not only does this cut costs, but it also gives drivers access to renewable energy, aligning with Polestar's work to accelerate the transition into sustainable electric mobility. Now, head of Polestar's UK, Jonathan Goodman, said, and I quote, "By charging your EV on renewable energy, whether at home or away, the carbon footprint can be more than half during the car's life cycle. That's compared to a petrol car. Our partnership with Ohme and Octopus makes this progress easier, simple and effective for our customers, and at the same time offering significant off-peak savings." Data from Ohme shows how its smart chargers could slash charging costs for Polestar drivers. Running a Polestar 2 long-range single motor with 82 kilowatt battery pack offers WLTP range of 406 miles and a Ohme smart charger on intelligent Octopus. This could cost £103 for a year for an average UK driver doing 6,800 miles. By comparison, charging on a standard variable tariff would cost £384. This is for the same distance, and an equivalent petrol car would be even more than $1,200. And an equivalent petrol car would be even more than £1,200. Now, CEO at Ohme, this is David Watson, said, and I quote, "Our new collaboration with Polestar underlines Ohme's position as one of the UK's fastest growing dynamic smart charging companies. Polestar has revolutionized the introduction of EVs to the UK, and Ohme's technology giving drivers the control to get more from their EVs. Ohme and Polestar are a natural partnership. Smart charging with Ohme could cost Polestar drivers just over £100 for an entire year of motoring." This would be absolutely incredible. Now I get to give my personal thoughts. For all the Polestar owners out there, especially those who subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Seriously, join the family. I have a huge question for you if you're a Polestar owner, especially in the UK. Will you be considering using this service? Do you think this is a good idea? Do you find that it's too expensive charging your Polestar 2 currently in the UK? Could this be a better option for you? Especially given the amount of mileage that they've spoken about. We're looking at 6,800 miles, almost 7,000 miles per year. And they're saying for a normal tariff, we're looking at £384. So Is this accurate, or could it actually be more? I need to know, based on the people who subscribe to this channel. Help us out and figure out if this data is correct. How much is it costing you to charge your car on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis, if you're okay with sharing that data? If you're not okay with sharing it, that's completely fine. But it'd be really helpful for us in the community of EV vehicles, especially the Polestar community. It'd be really helpful for us to have a good understanding of how much people are paying right now for their Polestar cars to be charged. And of course, if they will probably adapt to something like this kind of service in the near future. Will this be a system that you can adopt to? Is this something that you're actually interested in? Or are you in the position where you're not too bothered about the costs of running your electric vehicles, given that it's still significantly cheaper than a petrol car, approximately? But how long will this last for? We don't really know. I think over the years, and especially in recent years, charging electric vehicles have been getting more and more expensive. Try to keep in mind, there was a time Elon Musk actually said and made a promise that if you bought a Tesla, say like this was back in 2014, 2015, 2013 maybe, he was promising that if you bought a Tesla, supercharger stations will be free forever. And that didn't last for long, did it? I'm surprised that the Tesla community hasn't been holding Elon Musk accountable for those words. You mean to tell me that this guy didn't know better? He actually thought that he would be able to provide free electricity for all the vehicles that he sold. He wouldn't want to start charging people for using it as electricity via the superchargers. Or perhaps he thought, given solar panels used and renewable energy, he could potentially provide free energy for people buying Tesla vehicles. It just seems a little bit unusual for me. My point is still, electric vehicles have been becoming more and more expensive to charge over time. So the cost is actually rising. So something like this could be helpful for some people. But let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I'll see you in our next video.